Hello friends, myself Manas Ranjan Sahu, PGT Computer Science, KV number 4, Bhubaneswar. I have came here with one more video tutorials on Google Meet. As you know that Google has started this Google Meet free for everybody from today onwards, because 2 days back it was not free, and yesterday only I have got a mail from that Google that Google Meet has made free, and today I'm testing, and I just tested well. It's fine, working fine. So let us see how this Google Meet will work for a video conference, and it is very much useful for we teachers to take online classes. So let us see that how that Google Meet will work. So for opening that Google Meet, we need to open any browser. So I have just opened one browser, Google Chrome, and I need to type meet.google.com. After writing, just press enter, so that page will just open up in your screen. So if your screen is coming like this, like premium video meeting, now free for everyone, that is start meeting or enter meeting code. So the start meeting, suppose you would like to start a meeting, video conference for your students, then you can click on start meeting. Otherwise, suppose you would like to join any meeting where somebody else has started, just copy that meeting code and paste it here and click on this join button. So this is one. Otherwise, we can schedule our meeting by clicking here. It will be just Google Schedule, Google Calendar will be there. Suppose I would like to schedule one meeting for today at suppose 9 a.m. today. So at 9 a.m. I would like to schedule one class today for my science students. So I can write add location or something like this. This is it's okay. No issues. You just click on save. Click on save. So want to get better notifications, we can put allow or continue. So this allow Google notifications, then that calendar notification has been came. It's okay. This is all about my classes. Okay, but see, going back to that Google Meet, because I need to start a meeting. Again, I'm just clicking on start a meeting. After clicking on start a meeting, we'll see a window that access to our camera and microphone. As I have already started it, that's why it is not asking me to allow the accessibility of this microphone and the camera here. Otherwise it will come at here. You need to click on allow. So after making allow, just see, we do have two things. One is join now and present. Suppose I would like to host one video meeting, then I need to click it join now here. So let us click on join now, and after clicking join now, you can see it is showing me a Google Meet code. That code has to be copied and shared with among the students. So I'm just copying it. You can copy it directly, or you can click it, copy joining info. Okay, so that has been copied to the clipboard. Suppose you would like to pass this to the students through any like WhatsApp or something like that, then I'm just sharing this code to in WhatsApp. Let's see that how I'm opening the browser, where suppose I'm just sending this link to somebody, and I'm pasting the link here and clicking it here. So before that, I have just opened this web.whatsapp.com in my desktop. You may open it in here also. So after clicking that, just suppose you are saying that no, I would like to call all the students with an invitation in their Gmail ID. You can add the people here. So you can put their email IDs and it will send the invitation automatic. Take. So I'm not giving the invitation here, because I have made one WhatsApp group where I need to put the invitation, so that clicking on invitation they can join the Google Meet. So here the persons, it is showing that the people have joined. When the people have joined, then it will show in your list. Here the listed items will be shown in the screen, and you can have the chat option. You can just convey the message to the group without speaking anything before the meeting start, or something important you can convey to the group through the chat. And suppose you would like to share the Google, suppose you are saying that no sir, I'll just I want to share my meeting code to somebody else because I lost that code. So in the lower side you can see that meeting details is there. So in meeting details you click and copy the info. This is the link. This is the link. It is given. Suppose you are saying that no, I would like to share some attachment to the students here. So you can put the attachment can also be put here. Okay, so this is how we need to test a or test and host a Google Meet with the help of this basic things. Suppose we would like to turn on the captions, so we can have the captions. Captions can be put here. Then suppose I would like to present something to my students. So before that, I'm just opening one of the applications here. Suppose in the desktop I do have some of the materials for my students. Suppose I'm opening any of the applications like binary files. Binary files I'm opening, and let the application be open, and I would like to share that application or share the screen. So it is better to click on the present now. Present now is here, and I'm just sharing here the entire screen, because that entire screen is going to be shared now. So I need to select it here and share. Then what I need to do is I need to minimize this. This is my presentation for the students. So I can show it here and describe the things to the students, so that the students can feel comfortable in listening and getting it understood. So after this, suppose I would like to stop this sharing. Again, I can click on stop sharing button at the bottom. So after clicking on stop sharing, I'll just go back to that same Google Meet. Okay. So here this is, suppose I would like to stop my camera, I can click in here, turn off the camera. Suppose I like to have the mute of my microphone, I can click here. So my microphone is mute. Okay, so this is what I'm just giving you an example how the Google Meet can be done or started. But for the student aspects, you need to just download that Google Meet app in your Android. It is very simple and lightweight, and whenever you are just joining to this Meet, after getting that code from the teachers in the group, you can just put that meeting code and join. So I don't think it is very difficult for all of us to host a meeting or host a online class. So thank you everybody, because I think that this will be helpful to all of you. Okay.